Keeping up with our motto, let learning be a joy and teaching a pleasure. Here we are with a remote teaching and learning process to bridge the gap. Happy learning, students.
Hello and welcome to all the students of Thakur Vidyamandir High School and Junior College, Standard 5, Subject Maths, topic Problems on Measurement. Before we start with the problems of measurement, let us see few things. 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise, 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters, 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams, and 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. All these things you are already knowing. Now we are going to apply them and solve or do the conversions and solving. Now let us see here addition. The first addition is 25 kilometers 610 meters plus 10 kilometers 450 meters. Now, for doing the addition, first you will make two columns, one for kilometer and one for meters. Now you will write the respective figures down in the columns, that is 25 in kilometers place and 610 in meters place. Similarly, 10 in kilometers place and 450 in meters place. Now, you will start your addition from meters place. So, from meters place, the addition of 610 plus 450 is 1060. Now, you know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. So, 1060 is exceeding 1000, right? So, what we will do is, we will subtract 1060 from 1000 and on the kilometer side, we will add 1. So, here you will get 60 meters and in the kilometer side, after adding 25 plus 10, you are getting 35 plus 1, that will be 36. So your answer is 36 kilometer and 60 meters. Now see children, reason here why I subtracted 1000 is because 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters, right? But in the total I am getting 1060, that means it is exceeding 1000, right? So I had subtracted 1000. Now if I subtract 1000 here, on the other side also I have to add 1 to make both the sides equal. That is why I have added 1 in the kilometers place. Clear all of you? Now let us see one more example. We had seen about kilometers and meters. Now we will see about kg and gram. Here you have to add 25 kg 650 gram plus 29 kg 770 gram. So again we will make two columns of kg and gram and we will arrange the numbers, that is 25 in kg place and 29 in kg's place, and in grams place we are having 650 plus 770. Now starting the addition from grams place, 650 gram plus 770 gram is 1420 gram. Now again see here, you know that 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. But 1420 is again exceeding 1000, right? So what we are going to do, we will subtract 1000 in the gram place and add 1 in kgs place. So here in grams place you will have 420 and in kgs place you are having 25 plus 29 is 54. 54 plus 1 is 55. So your answer is 55 kg 420 grams. Similarly, children, for all the things like meters, centimeters, liters, milliliters, all these things, you have to see that in the smaller unit, it should not exceed the number. That is, if 1 kg is 1000 grams, it should not exceed 1000. If it is exceeding 1000, then you have to subtract 1000 for addition. Okay. We saw addition. Now let us see few subtraction sums. Here you are having 6 liters 150 milliliter minus 4 liters and 400 milliliters. So again drawing the columns of liter and milliliter and arranging the figures, you are having 6 and 4 in liters place and 150 minus 400 in milliliters place. Now starting the subtraction from milliliters place. Here you can see that you cannot subtract 400 milliliter from 150 ml. So what you are going to do is you have to borrow 1 liter, right? Now you know that 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. So from the liters place, when you are subtracting, when you are borrowing 1, 6 will become 5. And here in the milliliters place, you are having 1000 plus 150, that is 1150, right? So now subtracting 1150, from that you will subtract 400. So you will get 750. And in liters place you are having 5 minus 4 is 1. So your answer is 1 liter 750 milliliters. Now how 1150 came? Because you have borrowed 1, right, from liters. But here you are having milliliters. So you have to convert 1 liter into 1000 milliliter. So 1000 plus 150 will give you 1150. Let us see one more example of subtraction. 46 meters 60 centimeters minus 18 meters 75 centimeters. Here again making the columns of meters and centimeters. In centimeters, you are having 60 minus 75, and in meters, you are having 46 minus 18. Now, starting our subtraction from centimeters, you know that you cannot subtract 60 from 75. So, what we are going to do is we will borrow from meters 1. That is 1 meter we will borrow. Now we have to again convert it into centimeters. And you know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So in centimeters side you are having 100 plus 60, that is 160. Okay, and in meter side 46 will be cut and 45 will be remaining as you are given 1 meter to centimeter. So in the centimeter place you are having 160 minus 75, that is 85, while in meters place 45 minus 18 is 27. So the answer is 27 meters 85 centimeters. Now let us see some word problems. A water tank holds 125 liters of water. If 97 liters and 500 ml of the water is used, how much water remains in the tank? Now, first we will write what is the water in the tank. Water in the tank is 125 liters. And what is the water used? It is 97 liters and 500 milliliters. So now, to find the water left, we have to subtract 97 liters 500 milliliters from 125 liters. So while doing the subtraction, first you will write 125 in liters column. 0 milliliters are there, and in liters again 97 liters and 500 milliliters. Now starting the subtraction from milliliter side. Now you know that from 0 you cannot subtract 500, right? So again we are going to borrow 1 from liter side. That means in milliliter 00 will become now 1000. So 1000 minus 500 is 500, and on the liter side 125 will become 124, and 124 minus 97 will give you 27. So the answer is 27 liters and 500 ml of water remain in the tank. A hotel requires 12.5 liters of juice every day. How much juice will be required for 6 days? Quantity of juice per day is 12 liters and 500 milliliters. Number of days you want to find is 6. So the total quantity of juice required for 6 days is 12 liters and 500 milliliters into 6. Now see here. Liters and milliliters again column made, and then 12 and 500 you are multiplying by 6. Now in milliliter side, 6 into 5 is 3000 and 12 into 6 is 72. Now again here 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. That means 3000 is exceeding 1000. So what we are going to do is we have to subtract 3000. For subtracting 3000 you have to add 3 in the liter side. So plus 3 in liter side minus 3000 in milliliter side. So the total answer will be 75 liters. So 75 liters of juice will be required for 6 days. Raj has a cane having 13 liters and 650 milliliters of milk. He bought another cane having 11 liters and 650 milliliters of milk. How much milk does he have altogether? Quantity of milk in one cane is equal to 13 liters and 650 milliliters. Quantity of milk in another cane is 11 liters and 320 milliliters. Now to find the total quantity of milk, we have to add 13 liters and 650 milliliters with 11 liters and 320 milliliters. For carrying out the addition, again making columns and adding, you can see that in milliliters you are having 650 plus 650. Now 650 plus 650 will give you 1300. While on the liter side you are having 13 plus 11. 13 plus 11 is 24. Now see in the milliliter side. It is exceeding 1000, right? So you will subtract it by 1000. So when you are subtracting by 1000 on milliliter side, you have to add in liter side, right? So plus 1 in liter side and minus 1000 in milliliter side. So in liter side you will have 25 and milliliters you are having 300. So the answer is 25 liters and 300 milliliters of milk he has altogether. See children, here I have given you some sums for practice. Do practice and make your concept clear. In the fourth question, you can see I have also given you a sum for practice for rupees and paise. You know that 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. So accordingly, you will solve as you are solving for kilometers, liters and kg. Now till we meet with the next video, keep learning new things every day. Thank you.